Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It is T.G.I.F. fifth segment of the week, and this is the first one of 2022. Like I said, if y'all new to the channel, before I stop doing it, during the busy season of the holiday season, every Friday morning you're gonna get some kind of seafood related, water related type dish, so you can make on your Friday. A lot of people are Catholic, and a lot of people eat fish on Fridays. So that'll help them out. And some people just like fish like me. I don't care what Friday it is. Because every day is Friday to some people. So yeah, you see the title, Old School Fried Alligator Tail, y'all. I happen to be blessed and live in Houston, Texas, which is so close to Louisiana, Beaumont, Port Arthur. All them places got these huge alligators that they harvest. And I reap the benefits of alligator. I fell in love with alligator about 20 years ago at a food show. I never tasted before. And it was a food show, had a booth set up. I said, let me try this alligator. It is absolutely amazing. People gonna ask what it tastes like. To me, it tastes like chicken, but a sweeter taste of chicken. I know you get all that, oh, it tastes like chicken. It actually tastes like chicken, but a little sweeter taste. And I'm gonna fry this off pretty much just like chicken, y'all. So let's get started here. I'm gonna put my alligator in here. I'm gonna get it seasoned up. And I'm gonna season everything. Alligator, number one, is very, very bland, y'all, to me. So I have to really season. I'm gonna season the flour, I'm gonna season the buttermilk, and I'm gonna season the alligator. So every piece is gonna be completely flavored. Okay, y'all. Y'all, excuse me, I'm fighting the lights this morning. Y'all need my setup. I have lights all crazy and all this. One day I'm gonna do a video of how I've set up this stuff and what I got to deal with behind the scenes. Okay, y'all. Okay, we're gonna put a little kosher salt and white pepper. A little cavenders here. And my old school shake here, which is Uncle Steve's shake, sweet and spicy here. Okay. We're gonna get all this mixed up in here. Get them all mixed up. I wash my alligator really, really good. And you can buy it by the pound. You can buy it by 10 pounds. It's a little pound package that I had. And I usually keep about 3 or 4 pounds of this stuff in my freezer. So I'm going to let that hang out right there. Now we're going to do our buttermilk egg mixture. I'm going to put 1 egg in here. And some buttermilk. Matter of fact, let me whip this egg up right quick. It's easier to whip the egg up before you put the buttermilk, so it's not going all over the place. Okay. Now I like to use whole buttermilk, y'all. Y'all know me. I don't like that low-fat buttermilk or half buttermilk. I like the thick buttermilk. So get that set up in there. Now, we're gonna do the same thing I did to the alligator. A little salt and pepper. Leave the tops off of these for a second. I gotta do the flour too. Some cavenders in there. And a little shake there. Y'all gonna think, oh, that's a lot of seasoning. Not really. Like I say, it's just gonna be flavorful the whole bite. Okay. Alright, y'all. One more thing now, the flour. I got all-purpose flour in here. Let me set this right here. We're gonna do the same thing to the all-purpose flour. A little salt and pepper, a little cavenders. And this is Cavenders Greek seasoning, y'all. I've been using this for almost over 30 years. And you can buy this, some Walmart has it, and if you can't get it, you can get it online or whatever. And then my shake, that's my, go to UncleSteveShake.com. Matter of fact, I got a video on it. Just search Old School Shake, and I got a video on it, y'all. Okay. Okay, y'all with me here? Let me move this up out the way. I got my oil, vegetable oil heating up. Okay. Move this out the way. And we're about to get let me turn my oil up now because I just kind of had it warming up. And I use a wok. Sometimes I use a deep fryer. But if I'm frying something just small like this, I won't even use my deep fryer, y'all. I'll just use my wok. Okay, let me mix them seasonings up in there. And you can do fried chicken the same way too if you want to. Okay, put this over here, make sure this is what's good. Now, we're gonna do dry, wet, dry. Meaning, okay, let me show you how I'm gonna do this here. I'm gonna do dry, wet, dry, fry. Dry, wet, fry. We're gonna say that fast 25 times, y'all. Dry, wet, dry, fry. I'm gonna do flour, buttermilk, flour, grease. Okay, so let me show y'all here. I'm gonna show y'all a couple here and then I'm gonna move y'all over to the fryer. Let me see if my oil is heating up. Oh, I got a little bit more to go before it get up to temperature here. So what I'm gonna do, I can start the bread process right now. Put a little alligator in here. And I like to use my one hand for the dry and one hand for the wet, y'all. Throw that in there. Make sure you get all that flour off of there, y'all. Put that in there. I'm telling you now, it's nothing like fried alligator tail, y'all. You just can't beat it. Just can't beat it. Okay, put that in there with my other hand. Pour it back into the flour. That way your hands don't get too messy. I mean, it's a messy job, but it won't get too messy. Okay, put that back over in there. Rinse that hand off. Okay. Make sure you get good and coated. Then you're gonna dust that extra flour off. Put it on my plate here. I can smell my oil heating up, y'all. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all what I eat with it too. Okay. More. Let's see if I got another. I got another one right there. Okay, let me wash my hands off here. Head over to the fryer. Like I say, this is gonna be an awesome dinner right here, y'all. Okay, let me turn my fryer. You want it 350 degrees if you're using a deep fryer, y'all, on your fryer. You know, I pretty much just cook 350 everything, really. Okay, let me get y'all loaded up here. Now we're gonna go in with the tails, y'all. That's it. You don't want to overcrowd your grease, and you know that. You overcrowd, it's going to turn to, you're going to be boiling instead of frying. But like I say, y'all, I like to use a wok because it's even temperature, and it heat up so quickly when I don't hit up my deep fryer. It doesn't take as long to cook. And while those are frying, I'm gonna braid up the rest of these tails here. Like I say, y'all, ain't nothing like good old fried alligator tails. They take about 5 or 6 minutes, y'all, to cook. They don't take long. You do not want to overcook it. Just like any seafood type product, you don't want to overcook it. 1 second here. Get these others breaded up. And we'll be good to go here. And comment below if y'all ever, I know a lot of people on here from Louisiana and Cajuns, you know, and let me know if y'all ever had alligator before. And like I say, y'all, if you haven't, it's something, I mean, for many years, of course, growing up in East Central Texas, we didn't have alligator accessible. So I moved here to the Houston area back in the late 80s. Okay. When I found that out, I said, oh my God. And I'm surprised I never did a video on alligator either. Okay. Get my little thing here, kind of move them around in there. Like popcorn. Move them around up in there, y'all. Like I say, it don't take long on these to cook. It don't take long at all. Of course, I got my heat pan with the rack. I'm very adamant about fried foods going on a rack and not on a paper towel. If you put it on a paper towel, all it does is make your product mushy. And why you want to fry something and then later on, when you eat it, it's mushy because you laid on a paper towel. It makes no sense, right? All right, y'all, I'm going to step off here, let these fry a little. When I'm ready to take them out, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we ready? We back, and they are ready. And I'm going to put these here. Look how crisp and golden brown these are, y'all. Oh, it's some good eating. And the good thing about these, y'all, like I say, you don't have to salt them. Because I got seasoning on the buttermilk, on the tails, and the flour. They completely seasoned all the way through. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Okay, let me get the other ones in here. I got sitting here on the side. Get these cooked off. Okay, these don't take long at all to cook, y'all. There we go. All right, y'all. We'll be right back when these are ready. We're going to eat, y'all. Be right back. All right, y'all. We are back. Okay. These are nice golden brown. And take these off. Oh, my God. These nice golden brown, crispy. Like I say, y'all, can't go wrong with some nice alligator tails, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that goodness right there, y'all. Don't get no better than that, right? Okay. Y'all, I'm going to plate this up, y'all. And I'm going to come back here and show you and tell you how they taste. And I like mine with cocktail sauce. I usually use this one here. See this? The Louisiana cocktail sauce. I use that to eat it with. Or I like this. It's like a little Hellman's dipping sauce. It's nice and sweet and spicy. It's smooth. It tastes so good with these tails, alligator tails. Anyway, y'all, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Got everything plated up. And look at this big old plate of goodness here, y'all. Look at that. Nice plate of alligator tails, y'all. I wish y'all was here to enjoy these with me because I can definitely go to town on these. Get me a crispy one here, nice and tender. See how tender they are inside? So crispy. A cocktail sauce. See that, y'all? Perfectly cooked inside. Nice, tender. Like I tell y'all, if you never had alligator, definitely don't knock it till you try it. I got some Cajuns. I call them Cajuns. They from Louisiana. I'm gonna save some of these for them. So I'm that old country boy from Central Texas can make some alligator too. Look at that. Wow, y'all. Oh my God, this is so good. Like I said, alligator tastes just like chicken. Just a sweeter type taste. One more, y'all. One more here. Wow. I don't even need no sauce for this. Wow. Oh my God. All I can say is good. Oh, now let me get this chewed up. All right, y'all. Another T.G.I.F segment in the books here. I know it's not really seafood, but it did come from the water. That's why I told y'all it ain't gonna always be fish or shrimp. I'm gonna go outside the box. One day it might be some turtle. That's another one y'all need to try. But anyway, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.